In this lesson, we are going to use the TI-30 multi-view calculator to find the standard deviation of a data set. Before we get started, let's clear out any data that might be left over in the calculator from a previous problem. To do that, I'm going to hit the data key twice. Here I get some choices. I can clear one column at a time, but if I arrow down to number 4, I can clear all of the columns at one time, so I'm going to hit enter. Now I need to enter the data into L1. I'm going to do 2, enter, 3, enter, so forth. After I have entered my data, I'm going to scroll up using my arrow key to check it to make sure I entered it correctly. 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, and 2. It seems that I have entered it correctly, so now I am ready to calculate the statistics on this data set. So I'm going to hit Second Data to get the Stats menu. Now, to find the standard deviation, you will want to make sure that you are calculating one variable statistics, not two variable statistics. So with one highlighted, I'm going to hit Enter. This menu asks me some questions about my data. First of all, it says, where did you put your data? Did you put it in L1, L2, or L3? My data is in L1, so I want to make sure that L1 is highlighted. The next question is, what is the frequency of your data? Is it 1, which in this case it is, or did you put the frequencies in another column? In this case, I did not. The frequencies are 1. 1 is highlighted, so everything's okay. I'm ready to calculate. So I need to highlight Calculate, C-A-L-C, and hit Enter. The calculator has calculated the statistics on my data set. Notice it says it's one variable statistics using L1 with a frequency of 1. Next, it says n is equal to 12. That tells me how many data points I entered into the calculator. If this number did not match with your data set, then you would have to go back to the data button and look at your data set and make sure you had entered it correctly. Number 2 is X bar. That tells me the mean of my data set. So now, if you put your data into your calculator, it will calculate for you the mean of your data set. If I arrow down again, I get SX. This is the standard deviation for a sample data set. So if your data set is a sample, you would use SX. If your data set is a population data set, then you would have to toggle down one more time to use the sigma X amount, which is 3.94. So you have to look at your data set and determine whether it's a sample or a population and choose one of these two numbers to give as your standard deviation. You have some more information. If you toggle on down to number 8, we start having our quartiles, Q1, number 9 is median, A is Q3. So those are your quartiles. But notice that number 9 is labeled MED. That is the median of your data set. So now you can use your calculator to find your median as well.